Interesting question. The question, who are my heroes? Both people that are older and also younger. In the category of people that really inspired me when I was young, one of my mentors, Ron Breslow, without question. Jack Roberts, someone I've gotten to know extraordinarily well over all the years, and his intellect and vibrance is something that could be a model for everyone alive, whether they're a chemist or not. Derek Barton. Derek was someone that, in fact, was very kind to me. I never worked for him. I had never met him, but he saw one of my early papers and wrote me a note that was really very important in my career. At that time, I was at a quite new university, pretty small university, and here this, one of the top leaders in the whole field wrote a note about some research we're doing and how nice he thought it was, and that was really an important thing for me. Bill Johnson was also one. I had enormous respect for the way he did his science, also the way he reported his science, and knowing a number of his students, how he trained people. Younger people, this might, well, certainly there's one, it's maybe a little self-serving, but a graduate student of mine, David McMillan, I just remain amazed about every 6 months when I hear Dave talk about the creativity of his program. I think in terms of young people in the field of synthesis, this is a golden era. We have just an enormous number of absolutely brilliant young scientists. So the field of science that I represent now is, I see its future brighter than many times that I can ever think about, and it's going to be fantastic the next 10 or 20 years what these young people do.